Hey, your homepage is not the only page of your website that you should work on. It's also important to rank your subpages in search engines. Your site should contain several subpages. Search engines always search for well-structured and detailed content. The more interesting and informative the content of your website is, the better it will be evaluated by search engines and the better your website will be placed in the search results. Therefore, try to create some subpages with text that is interesting for your visitors to place your website in a better position. If you already have a subpage on your website for the selected keyword, simply assign the keyword to the subpage by adding the subpage part of your URL in the field provided. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and then on Add New. Give your new page a title. It will be used in the navigation menu on your website. This is also used to automatically create the search engine-friendly URL, and so if possible, you should aim to integrate a keyword here. Now, let's add an image. Click on the button and select Image from the pop-up menu. Select an image from your media library or click on Upload to add a new image. Optionally, you can add a caption to your image. Next, let's add some text. Click on the button and select Paragraph from the pop-up menu. Enter some text in the text field. We will optimize this at a later stage. You can add any other additional information you would like to have on your page. When finished, click on Publish and then on Publish again. Great work! Now let's move on to Step 2. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.